Hi guys, starting on my gates for the driveway in front of the garage. I'm using a DeWalt miter saw I got at a garage sale for $10. Can you believe that? It works. The tag is still on it. I saw that and I didn't hesitate. I checked it ran. I figured, I don't know why they're selling it for $10, but it must be defective. No, it runs. And it's crazy powerful. It's scary powerful. This thing has a kick when you hit the handle of the trigger. So anyway, I'm going to get this cut up and ready to go. I never really looked this over. It's a DW705. There's the price, $10. It is powerful. That thing works. It's not pretty. It's old, but that's perfect for what I need for outdoor cutting. I'm not leaving it outdoors. I just happen to bring it out. It's nicer outside. Nice breeze here in the shade. And right by my garage where I'm working. So, I'm going to get this put together. I've cut out enough for one gate, and now I've got to find a flat area to put them together, to screw them together. So, my assistant and I are putting together the gate. So, all you can see is your backside. Would you stand over here, please? Thank you. Looks good. All right, I'm gonna. Looks good. I'm gonna put it in. Hold on. Okay. Next. Okay, now the middle one. Oh, that's lined up. Oh, okay, just a minute. I gotta line this up. Move back a minute. Well, that's frustrating. That's stuck. I'll have to go on this side. Check this side, because this one has to be centered. Where's my mark? Oh, I'm off. Oh, how horrible. That looks good. Let me see. That's not. How can we be wrong? Don't laugh at me.
My finger out of you.
Obviously terrible. Oh, well, everything was good until this part. Maybe something's warped. Maybe I measured wrong. But square is important. Okay. 2 screws. 1 screw.
What you got? 2 seals.
I don't know. Next.
2 seals.
I'm going to need 2 more. one right here. Thank you. Thank you. That's it. That's a gate. Now, that's a gate half. That's one gate. Done. I gotta go cut the pieces for the next one. So then the pickets will hang down on a hinge, and pickets will go on that, and that's it. There's the one gate. Okay, I've took away the blockades from my gate, and I've got the two doors resting up here. I gotta get some hinges and hang these things and get some pickets on them and some barricade bars, and we'll have ourselves a driveway here. Pretty good. Should have most of it done today. I don't know how many pickets I have left, but I'll do what I can. I'm feeling very exposed right now. We got our gates up and open. I don't like the feeling. It's not going to be for long. Melanie helped me get these lined up and clamped in place. So now I can put my hinges on. I'm going to have to put extensions. I think I'm going to put the hinge high and one low. And later, they didn't have enough. I have to get another set. We've got these flush here. Beautiful. I hope it is. And all clamped up. So now I'm going to mount my my extensions. I'll show you why in a minute here. Let me grab those hinges. See, a hinge is bigger than my 2x4. So I have to put an extension on here to hold that, same as I did with my other gates. And it works fine. So let me get some wood cutting. So I'm loving my wood clamps. I'm a little bit stressed for time because of losing maybe an hour. So, and night is coming, and I've got to get this closed up and barricaded again yet tonight. I was hoping to still get all the pickets on, but I'm not sure now. I might have to just put a bunch of boards and screw everything in place and put all these pallets back in place. It's going to be a barricade, one way or another tonight. I just heard a truck going by. I think it's the person picking up the drone pilot. Sounds like the same truck. That was a very distinct sound. I can't use the socket as easily right here. I should have explained that last time on the other hinges because it hits the hinge. So this is a very awkward position right here to put this on. That's why it's going so awkward. It's because it is. Oh, dinner is served. I'm going to eat right here while I work. So let me get these bolts in. There's one done. Daylight is fading fast. This door is hanging on its own hinge. Beautiful. Smooth. I like it. Alright. Then I had to get the more expensive ones. It's a self-closing hinge. It is what it is. That was $1 more per hinge, but that's fine. I'm going to get the other side done. Meanwhile, I'm trying to shovel some food in my mouth and get this gate closed up and barricaded before night. Now I have 2 moving doors. I hope. I haven't tried this one. Oh yes. Beautiful. And does it self-close? No. I think it self-opens. Well, that's backwards. I think there's an adjustment. There's a weird little tool in there. Now I've got to barricade this off, and so I'm going to sign off for tonight. I'm not going to show you that, but please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't, because you never know what's coming to Homestead tomorrow. This is satisfying. I still got work to do. By the way, check out Michigan Prospectors YouTube channel and Facebook group. Even if you're not in Michigan, there can be a lot learned, and I'd love to hear from you too. Talk to you all later.